Heritage unit, buddy. That's it.
Oh, he's moving. See, that was deceptive. It looked like he wasn't doing nothing, and then he is. He's cooking.
Should be going around the S-curve shortly. Yep.
Just now leaving downtown.
4 Bud cars and a GE, buddy.
This is a combination.
Well, they can all run together.
Yeah, they can, but you don't really see them, hooked up like that. Do you have a video with them like that?
No.
Well, now you do. Look at that. That's a big train. Is there anybody on the other side?
Yes. $216, $261, $215, and $219. All former Pennsylvania cars. And the 406.
You know, they got it hooked up the right way too. You know why?
Right.
Even though they're running under all power, that GE car is still faster.
Right.
The acceleration. You wouldn't want that car pushing. Well, wait, it came out that way, so I guess I'm wrong. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
I was so glad when I moved out there, you see those trains? Those red trains on the track?
Yes, sir.
I went crazy there.
Yes, sir.
What'd she say?
Actually, my mom told her at the store.
Okay.
Should be pulling off soon.
You don't have to worry about switching over.
Hey, buddy. Buddy.
What?
Got another train coming.
Amtrak?
Yep.
Or SEPTA?
I think it's Amtrak.
Move back a little bit.
Of course I am.
He's thundering. Yeah, he's thundering.
Yep.
Don't look like he is, but he is.
Yeah, that's why I always stand back.
And you're going to feel him. Man, he's coming quick. Oh, baby. Hold on your hat.
Right. Good Lord.
Telling you, Ricky. Yeah, he took the whole booth.
Gosh.
He was going faster than Pennsylvania.
Yes, he was.
Ricky, he was going every bit of 110. Yes, sir.
My goodness.
Man, the whole booth went like this. The whole booth went back like that and then went forward again.
Jeez.
He knew you were filming, so he could have blew his horn.
Yeah.
That's alright. Can we get out of here now? Or are you still going to wait a little bit?
I'm gonna wait. I'm trying to get that Norfolk Southern train.
We'll wait till 2:30, Ricky. It ain't raining no more.
I told you that.
Yeah, we're going to get hammered. After the dark. I'm just glad, man, we got the ties off.
Yes, thank you, Jesus.
That helps. It's gotta be something.
Yeah, it's SEPTA.
Rush hour time down here. They start running on every hour now. Or every half an hour. Or what this train will do, it'll drop people off.
Mm-hmm.
It won't take nobody else. It'll just go right back. Look, you got a train coming the other direction.
I do?
Yeah, look. See it?
No.
I saw it. Just keep getting that. I'll tell you.
Yeah, just let me know.
That was a car.
Yeah, he's crossing over.
He's coming over this side. Oh, his light was reflecting off the window in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, is he crossing over or is he going to stay on that side?
Crossing over.
No, I think he's staying on that side.
Yeah, he's crossing over to that side, buddy.
Yeah, he's staying on that side. Yeah, the window to come over here.
They don't do it like that anymore. It would take too much time for him to come over here. So they just put him over there.
You know, when they throw the switch tracks, those signals go all the way down the line until they clear them. You know that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's GE cars.
All GE cars.
See how they pick up speed? Black cars?
Yep.